something that you might come across on your Squarespace website is a broken link. Whether you've just gone through manually or you've ran a broken link checker, you may have these flagged and you may then need to go in and fix them. So what I'm going to do in this video is show you an example of what a broken link would act like, and then I'll show you how to fix it as well. So on our site here, we have this link. Now, if I click it, it's going to throw us into the 404 page. So that's obviously how you know that, the link's broke. So if I go back, just click back here, you'll see this was one I made earlier. So if I click into here, so I highlight the word or highlight the whole link, and you can see here, this is terrible link, lol, which is my attempt at humor. And then we click edit. So you'll be able to see either if it's an internal link that's broken, you'll see a / and then a slug, which is this bit. If it's an external link, that you won't obviously see your 404 page, but you may see another website's 404 page. Again, if it's external, you'll see the hopefully open link in new tab. If it's internal, it shouldn't have that on. So what you can do is click X, and then you can just go through your whole site. I'm just acting as if this is an internal link, or you can just click / and then you can write it out. So if I just want to redirect to home, boom, we click out, we click save. And then when I come down here, you'll see instead of going to a 404 page, we now go to the page that we want it to go, which in this case is the home page. So that is how you fix your broken links on Squarespace. Hopefully you found that useful. If you did, please make sure to leave a like and hit subscribe. And if you want me to build your Squarespace website, you can get in touch using the links in the description.